Alright, this is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana. We're out in Bayou Ami in Henderson, Louisiana, running restored number 85. It's a 1993 15 horsepower. Customer brought me a 9.9 and a 15. He was having trouble getting one good motor out of the two, and I found bad compression on one motor and dirty carburetor on the other, so I put this motor together. Did a light restore on it. It's supposed to be no paint, no decals, but I added paint to it. I checked the lower unit, pressure tested, changed the impeller, carburetor, starter rope, had good spark, cleaned her up and added a free paint job to it, a quickie paint job, and she runs pretty good. This is a warm start. I have been running her. She pushes my 57 Feathercraft John boat about 20 miles an hour, 19 miles an hour. So let's give her a start and see how she runs. As you can see, she runs great. Pushes my John boat about 20 miles an hour. Another great motor. Here at T-Mike's, we're doing them one motor at a time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Merci beaucoup and laissez les bon temps rouler.